This is Asif from TECHinfare. Today, I will tell you how to make a hashtags for Facebook or Instagram. We will use the hashtag app. Link to the app is present in the description. I will work on Nexus 5 Android version 8.1. So, let's go to the mobile screen. Open hashtag app. Skip. Click done. Hashtag app will open in front of you. Slide app for magic. Click allow. Gallery will open. Select a picture from the gallery that you want to upload to Facebook or Instagram. After some time, according to that picture, hashtags will be shown in front of you. Click copy hashtags and paste where the tags are to be used. If you are not subscribed to our channel, then subscribe and press bell icon. Thank you.